What's up guys, Phil here from PRC Taping again with another video for you today. I'm going to be talking about cleaning and maintaining your Columbia Tomahawk Smoothing Blades. So I just wanted to show you out of the box what the Tomahawk looks like, and it comes with this blade saver here. You can actually keep this on if you like. Say you don't have a case for this yet, which I suggest you get, but say you only buy one blade. And it comes with this blade saver. You can keep this on so that you can put it on and off in between use just to save that blade so you don't nick it up. I just wanted to give you guys a quick vision of that. So cleaning and maintaining your Tomahawks are pretty straightforward. You basically want to use nice clean water and a sponge to clean off any hard mud or dried mud that you use during the day. So that being said, you want to make sure there's no mud in this crack where you will eventually have to replace these blades. Say you nick it or you drop it or something happens to this blade. So you want to make sure there's no dried mud inside this crack here, and I'm going to show you now how you would replace a smoothing blade. So every Tomahawk has a replacement size blade for it. So for instance, I have a 24-inch here and it shows you the size there on the end. And this is how they come. They come in a one pack. You can buy multiple ones. If you know you have one that you use more frequently, you can just buy a couple extra ones, but it's really easy to change. Here's the link below for the maintenance kit, and here's also a link on how to properly change it. But quickly, I'm just gonna show you, you wanna make sure you're wearing a glove for this. You just grab the blade with a glove on and you slide the blade out this way, and then you basically do the same thing when you put the new one on. But because this is a little bit sharp, you wanna make sure you're wearing a glove when you're changing that, because if you slip your hand, you might cut it. But I just wanted to show you quickly on how to properly change that blade. So another thing that's pretty cool that they have on their packaging is they actually have a QR code you can scan. It goes right to the instructional video on how to replace this blade. Aaron shows how to do that properly, and make sure you go check that out. So that was a quick video on how to clean and maintain your Columbia Tomahawks. Be sure to check those links out on how to properly change your blades, and see you on the next one.